In this video, we will discuss the converse, inverse, and contrapositive of conditional statements. We can construct several related statements from any conditional statement. These statements are not always true. We begin with a simple conditional, if you stay, then I go. If we exchange the antecedent and the consequent, we get if I go, then you stay. This new conditional statement is called the converse of the original statement. By negating the antecedent and consequent, we get, if you do not stay, then I do not go. This is called the inverse of the original statement. If we both exchange and negate the antecedent and consequent, we get, if I do not go, then you do not stay. This is the contrapositive of the original statement. So these are all related conditional statements. We start with the conditional statement, P implies Q, if P then Q. We get the converse, Q implies P, or if Q then P. If we negate everything, we get the inverse, if not P then not Q. And the contrapositive, if we negate and switch, if not Q then not P. As an example, we will determine the converse, inverse, and contrapositive of the conditional statement, if I am running, then I am moving. The converse, for the converse, we just switch the antecedent and consequent. If I am moving, then I am running. And I'm going to point out now, if I am running, then I am moving is definitely true. But if I am moving, then I am running is not necessarily true. I can be just waving my hands around. That's moving, but it's not running. The inverse, negate the antecedent and the consequent. If I am not running, then I am not moving. Again, this isn't necessarily true. If I'm waving my hands around, I am moving, but I'm not running. The contrapositive, we switch and negate. If I am not moving, then I am not running. And this time it's true, because if I'm not moving, I'm not running, I'm not moving my hands around. There are lots of possibilities there. The converse and inverse statements of a true conditional need not be true, but the contrapositive is. Here are the truth tables for the conditional and related statements. We've got our standard conditional, true, false, true, true. Our converse, true, true, false, true. Our inverse, true, true, false, true. And our contrapositive, true, false, true, true. So notably, the conditional and its contrapositive are equivalent because their truth tables are the same. And the converse and inverse are also equivalent. I've done the equivalent statements in the same color so you can see those. So here is another example. We'll write the converse, inverse, and contrapositive of if not P, then Q. And this isn't too hard. For the converse, again, we just switch the statements. It becomes if Q, then not P. For the inverse, we just negate the statements. P implies not Q. If P, then not Q. And for the contrapositive, we switch and we negate. If not Q, then P.